Hey everyone. Okay, we just launched this channel and we also just recently launched a new product called Prepper Offline. So this is the very first video that I'm launching for this channel. Today, I just wanted to take a few minutes and tell you a little bit about it because I think the idea behind it is becoming really important. And so my question to you is, what happens if you lose internet access, like just even temporarily, right? Like no Google, no YouTube, no quick way to search for the information you rely on every day. And sure, yes, a lot of people already have books, PDFs, manuals, and saved files. But here's the problem. For a lot of people, a lot of it is scattered everywhere. Some of it's on a laptop, some of it's bookmarked online, some is sitting in folders that you forgot about, some is in books on a shelf, some is in videos that you meant to watch later. And when you actually need the information quickly, finding it can become the problem. So that is why we built and developed Prepper Offline. So for the cost of a good book, it's a fully self-contained preparedness knowledge system that works kind of like a website, but completely offline. You don't need any internet. None is required after you download it. So you open it up in a normal browser and you have access to over 10,000 preparedness resources already organized and searchable from one place on topics like water purification, food preservation, medical references, off-grid living, communication security, gardening repairs, checklists, manuals, field guides, real world preparedness scenarios. And the goal is not fear, guys. It is all about access, because if the power is out, the signal is weak, networks are overloaded, and you are off grid, you shouldn't have to depend on the internet to find basic preparedness information. Prepper Offline can be stored on a laptop, a USB drive, external hard drive, a tablet, vehicle kit, cabin setup, Faraday bag, or your emergency kit. We've had people are downloading it. Keep it for personal use and make your own backup copies. And the feedback that we're getting has been really, really great from people who are actually downloading it, using it, and storing copies in different places. And we are genuinely grateful for the support. We have just launched this, and the engagement and feedback has been amazing. The great thing is every month we're going to keep adding new content, new guides, additional preparedness resources, and updated information as Prepper Offline continues to grow. Preparedness today, it's not just physical anymore. I think it's about digital resilience. Not just do I have supplies, but can I still access the knowledge I need if systems stop working? So I'm curious, before we wrap up, if the internet went down tomorrow, what information would you want to access first? Would it be medical, water, food storage, communications, navigation? Please drop it in the comments below. I would love to hear what you're thinking. And if you want to check out Prepper Offline, I would encourage you to do so. I'll leave the link below. And before we wrap up, I just want to say thanks for spending a few minutes with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.